Good morning students. In the last video we have started with chapter number 10 clothes. Today we will see page number 63. Do you know cloth can be woven in 2 days? Means cloth can be woven in 2 days. Sweaters, caps, etc. are woven with the help of knitting needles at home. What are the needles? You know what are the needles? You may find these needles at your home. Handlooms and power looms are used to weave cloth on a large scale. Handlooms means made by human hands, and power looms means mechanized looms, or for that electric power is used. They are called as power looms. Are used to weave cloth on a large scale. If we have a large scale, then we use handlooms and power looms. Try this. First, take clean water in a small bucket. What you have to do? You have to take a small bucket and you have to take a clean water in that bucket. Soak the clothes you have worn all day in the bucket. The clothes which you are wearing whole day, you have to soak that clothes in that water. After an hour, you take the clothes out of the bucket. After an hour, what you have to do? You have to take out your clothes from that bucket. Before taking them out, wring them out tightly in the bucket itself. See here, the mother is wringing the cloth tightly in the bucket. You can see. You have to do like this. Now observe the water in the bucket. Now you should observe the water in the bucket. Is the water in the bucket still clean, or do you see any change in the water? You have to observe this. You can do this activity at your home. You can observe the change in the water. First the water was very clean, and after removing the clothes, you can see that the water has become dirty, because all the dust and dirt from the clothes is after wringing, the water has become very dirty. You will see that when we use clothes, they become dirty. Can you tell? Can you give some reasons why clothes get dirty? Can you give some reasons? If you can give some reasons, make a list of the reasons. You can make a list of the reasons that why the clothes get dirty. The list shows that our clothes become dirty for various reasons. You can observe why your clothes are getting dirty, and you can make a list of it, and you will observe that clothes become dirty for various reasons. That is why it is necessary to clean our clothes. So it is very necessary that we should wear neat and clean clothes. Wearing clean clothes is good habit. See, this is one of the good habit, that we should always wear a clean clothes. We must always have clean clothes in order to remain healthy and look neat and tidy. If you think that you should remain always healthy and you should look neat and tidy, you should always wear clean clothes. Again, next, try this. You can also try this. With what do we wash our clothes at home? You can ask to your mother that what do we use to wash our clothes? What is used in the laundry for washing clothes? If you go to the laundry, you can ask that from what do you use to wash clothes? Which different types of soaps for washing clothes are sold in a grocery shops? You must have visited grocery shops. You can ask them the different types of soaps for washing clothes. There are various types of soaps which are used for washing clothes. Find the answers to the above questions and make a list. You can do this at your home, and you can also make a list of it. You will realize that various types of soap are used to clean clothes. You will see that various types of soaps are used to clean clothes. Example, soap bars, detergent powder, liquid soap, etc. What can you use to clean clothes if these substances are not available? You can think over it. Again, try this. Buy some Rita. that is soap nuts, Rita. You can go to the grocery shop and you can buy some Rita. They will tell you what is Rita. Soak them in a warm water. What you will do? You will take Rita and you will soak them in a warm water. Stir the water. What happens? Add washing soda to water and stir the water. What happens? You can do this at your home as a small activity if you want. You will take some Rita, you will soak it into a warm water and you will see what happens. After that, add washing soda to water and stir the water. See what happens. Now soak dirty clothes in water. Wash these clothes after half an hour. Have the clothes become clean. You can do this and you can observe that the clothes have become clean or not. Soap nuts, washing soda, hingenbet means this is an Ayurvedic plant. Hingenbet is an Ayurvedic plant. Limestone etc. are used to wash clothes. These are some natural substances. These all are some natural substances which are used to wash the clothes. Can you tell? Do you still use the clothes you wore in the first standard? Do you wear clothes which you used to wear in the first standard? If you do not, what clothes do you use now? Why do you not use your old clothes? Means if you were used to do you still use the clothes which are used in the first standard? If not, then which types of clothes do you wear now? Why can you not wear a dress now which was your favorite when you were younger? See, it is not compulsory that which dress we used to wear in first standard, second standard, the same dress we will use in the fourth, fifth, sixth. Because a day by day, as you increase, as your age increase, your height, your body also increases. So even if the dress which you used to wear in first or second standard, if it is your favorite dress, but you cannot use it regularly for years and years, because the length and the weight also of your body increases. What happens to clothes that we do not use anymore? Talk to your parents and grandparents and ask them what happens to old clothes. You can discuss these all questions with your parents or grandparents. Try this. Did you know that old clothes can be exchanged for new utensils? Talk to people whose occupation it is to trade old clothes in exchange for new utensils. See here, you can see a lady. She is having a utensils and she is having a stock of old clothes. You can observe this at your home also. Sometimes they come to you and they ask for old clothes, and in the exchange of old clothes they give you some utensils. You can observe this. Use the points given below for the discussion. You can discuss these points with that lady. What do they do with the old clothes? You can ask them that what do you do with the old clothes? Are the good clothes and torn clothes separated? Means, do they separate good clothes and torn clothes? What do they do with clothes that are still good? Who takes them? What do they do with torn clothes? Do they keep some of the clothes for themselves? You can ask them that, do you use the same clothes? How can they afford to take old clothes in exchange for new utensils? You can ask them that what is the use of taking old clothes and giving utensils to us? Make a note of the information you have obtained. Check whether your notes match the information given on the next page. Now, next page we will see in the next video. Thank you.